Everyone loves space, don't they? It's the one thing that we can do, look up in the night sky and just go, wow, look at all that stuff that's out there. Back in the days of Columbus, people explored the Earth. They thought it was flat, and then they found out that it wasn't, and that was what people did to explore. I think the next thing for our generation is to explore the universe. And right from a really early age, I knew that I wanted to explore the universe. My name's Professor Catherine Heymans, and I'm an astrophysicist here at the Royal Observatory in Edinburgh. It's a wonderful place to work here at the Royal Observatory because we've got lots of different people up here. So we've got the University of Edinburgh, which is where I'm based, and we've also got the amazing visitors centre here that anyone in Scotland can come and visit, where you can see a wonderful old telescope that's no longer in use, but we used to use it. This is a telescope back from 1928. And it was used to study stars, but these days it's just really a museum piece here in our visitors centre. The reason why we don't use telescopes like this anymore is mainly to do with the weather. So in Scotland we love our dark skies that we have here, but often the clouds just mean we can't see any of the cosmos that we want to observe. So the telescope that I'm using right now for my project is on top of a mountaintop in Chile, and you can always see the beautiful stars and the galaxies that we're trying to observe with telescopes much larger than this one. I feel like we're learning new stuff every day just from these new instruments, new developments in technology. We've got the Astronomy Technology Centre, which is the place in the UK where we build telescopes and detectors that go out and survey the universe. The part of astronomy that I focus on is trying to understand the dark side. It's slightly embarrassing, but we understand less than 5% of our universe. Wow, that's quite embarrassing. The rest of the universe is dark. We don't understand it, but we know that there's stuff there because of the effect it has on the things that we can see. If we didn't have dark matter, our own Milky Way galaxy, which we live in, all of the stars would simply fly out into the universe. We need the gravity of dark matter to keep our own Milky Way galaxy all stuck together. So when you don't understand something as gargantuan as 95% of the universe, it means that there's lots to discover. Being a scientist means you can embrace your inner toddler and just ask every single day, why, and find out the answers. And that's why people love science and why people are getting more interested in science. So I teach a class here. I have lots and lots of students coming, wanting to learn about astronomy, wanting to learn about the universe. Across Scotland, we've got some of the best astronomy groups in the whole of the UK. Here in Edinburgh, the thing that we're most well known for is our large-scale surveys of the sky, primarily to find killer asteroids. So don't worry, we're protecting you all out there. But it's also going to build up the deepest image of the universe that we've ever taken. And with that, we can really start to test these different theories about dark matter and dark energy. If you look in the history of science and sort of how our understanding of the world around us changes, I've kind of got this hope that maybe we've just got the whole picture entirely wrong. Maybe our understanding of fundamental physics is missing a really key piece of the puzzle. Maybe that's the whole new revolution that we need that will come out of these new projects that we're working on here in Edinburgh.